Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G22 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Sound section. Then scroll down and tap on Vibrate for calls. Over here you can apply the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate or vibrate first, then ring gradually. In my case, always vibrate. When you're ready, go back. Now scroll down again and click on those two switches next to charging sounds and vibration and touch vibration to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!